Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question what's the best tool to check a micro SD card integrity or actually speed and especially the capacity of a micro SD card or any flash drive and even a hard disk drive. And as far as I know, that's still the H2 test W. This is quite old program, but it still works and I haven't found anything better than that for free. I wish there would be something better than that, or at least something which we could download easier than that. So the video is mainly about that. So what I've found is the h2testw.org. Org usually sounds pretty good, but we never know what's behind that. At least we have some really tough ads here, and most of the download icons, they lead us to download and installation of some other software, has nothing to do with the H2 test W. So when we want to really download it, we have to use this green button. I think it's this one here. Let's check if there's another one. No, that's the only green one here in the center, so I guess that's this one here. So I click on that. Didn't work for some reason, but it brought me to this icon here. Yeah, I think that's the one which we need. So I moved the screen a little bit to the right side so you can see if the download's really starting. So I click on this green, brighter green download. You can see it downloads this H2 test W. By the way, that's what I've already done, and of course it's a zip file, so you have to extract it, and I've tested the content. You can see I've first tested the zip file, and VirusTotal didn't find anything, and also for the extracted H2 test W file there was absolutely nothing suspicious in it. By the way, that's for the version 1.4 as far as I know. Here we can see that 1.4, but anyway, no matter where you download, what you download, it's always a good suggestion to not only let the browser test, but also let VirusTotal test whatever you want to download and install before you really install it. And of course, we also want to see what's in the zip file. And so we get three files. We get the program you don't have to install. You can copy, paste it, you can create links whatsoever. Maybe easiest thing, because it's so small, you can easily drag it to the desktop, something like that. Then it will ask copy to desktop, and so I have it already here, so I can delete it in the download. Of course, there's also a readme here if you like, and so I'm using the exe which I've just copied to the desktop. I can double click, and there's an English and German version. You just select which drive you want to check. So usually you click here on this PC, then you can see the drives which you have. If you have inserted your microSD card, it should show up here. You click on that. Here this time I click on this external hard disk drive, click on OK. Yeah, let's get back to English. And to start and test, we have to use write and verify. But I'm not going to do that because it's a hard disk which is full of my own data. And if you use that, everything will be overwritten. Of course, you have to know that. So looks like the original of this thing is from ctmagazine.de, German website. I don't know if you can still find the download there. So anyway, I think that's still the way to go. Just a little bit difficult to find it, to make sure that there's no virus inside, but I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. By the way, of course, I cannot post any links or so. It's very dangerous to post such links on YouTube, so unfortunately I can't do that, but still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, if you have found something better than that, then just let us know down in feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.